good morning. Welcome to a new video. I hope you all are doing great. I wasn't feeling that good from past few weeks. I was just not feeling it. I was feeling like not doing anything, which is why I did not even make that many videos. But today finally I decided to film this one because I was just bored at sitting home. So we will go out today and do a lot of things. We'll have a lot of fun. So I just woke up right now, as you can tell already by my face, and I made myself this very pretty looking breakfast fruit bowl. So I will have this right now and then I will quickly get ready because we are going to watch Marvel-এর নতুন মুভি এসেছে Thunderbolts. তো 11টা থেকে শো আছে, so we are gonna watch that. After that we will come home and have lunch, again get ready to do a lot of shopping and cafe visit and all. So that's the plan and I will take you guys around with me. Came from the theater, quickly had lunch and got ready to go for shopping. I went to H&M as their summer collection is giving. I liked a lot of things. Also they have really good shades collection. Most of these are Miu Miu dupes. So I tried few on but none of this fits me as I have a really teeny tiny face. But I tried their some of clothes and I bought few that I'm going to show you later in this video. After shopping, obviously we went to have food and I was craving for authentic Pahari momo for few days, and for that we went to Sikkim House because no one does authentic momo like they do, and these are so good. We also tried few other things and overall we shared a very delicious meal there. Hi everyone, so I just came home and it is quite late, so I had a very fun eventful day. I enjoyed a lot, I shopped a lot and I am tired, but I shopped quite a few things. Here are the things that I bought, so I'm quickly going to give you guys a haul, so let's go. To H&M today and the first thing that catch my eyes is this very pretty butter yellow top, and as soon as I saw it I was like I have to get it. It is so pretty, I love the color, it is so soothing and I love the corset kind of fitting. It fits my body so perfectly and I love it. This is the second one. It's a basic white top and I love buying this kind of basic tops from H&M because they look so good and their quality is top notch. It has a very cute lace detailing in the neck. Also it has blueberries all over it and I love it. It is so cute and it is going to look so good in my pamper routine video. I finally got the heart printed cami top from H&M. That's it, that's all I got from H&M. Now moving on to website. Can we just take 5 seconds for this cup? I mean, how pretty she is. It's so pretty and it has a very beautiful yellow flower detailing inside and it looks so pretty. Is one of the prettiest thing that I own, and you guys should check out Westside's home collection. They have such good things. That's it, that's all what I got. Now let's quickly get changed, get freshen up, remove my makeup and get a skincare therapy. I just removed my makeup and washed my face and it is all clean now, but my skin went through a lot today, like heat, pollution and all of that, so it needs some extra care, which is why I'm going to apply a calming face pack, and the one I'm using is the Mamaearth Chia Hydra Calm face pack. It is very hydrating and soothing for our skin. I have always been a fan of chia seeds because of its benefit, and I used to make DIY chia seed face pack before, and every time I did it, it was so messy, and because of its slippery texture, it doesn't stick to my face, so it has always been a fail. But with Mamaearth, it has become so easy. It has goodness of chia seed and ceramide, which is going to give our skin that hydrated glow. Also, it is made safe certified and made with all natural ingredient and has a very slimy DIY like texture that I really like about it. Also, it gives our skin that cooling effect, exactly what my skin needs today, and it is suitable for all skin type. I'm going to apply a very generous amount on my whole face evenly and going to leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. I just love applying face pack because it is so therapeutic and relaxing, and as it has chia seed, it is going to deeply hydrate my skin and lock the moisture, and ceramide is going to repair my skin barrier and give me that hydrated glow that exactly what my skin needs today. After 15 minutes, I'm going to wash it off with cold water. You can see how fresh, glowing, hydrated my skin is looking. I love the chia seed face pack, but Mamaearth has other face pack as well for all our skin concerns, and all of these are really good. And now comes the best part. Mamaearth listens to us, and based on our review and advice, they made their onion shampoo better for us. So share your thought and help them improve. And as you all know, Mamaearth products are available on Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Myntra, also now at stores near you. So do message me or comment in this video every time you spot a Mamaearth stores near you, and don't forget to use my code GLOW2025 for 20% discount on their website and app, and I will leave the link in the description for you. So it's the next day and I just woke up a few hours ago. Then I cleaned my room, I organized my vanity, I did dusting, and everything is organized, neat and clean. And right now I am just getting ready to shoot a reel. So Lenskart sent me a sunglass and I have to shoot a video for that. Wait, let me show you. So this is the sunglass. It is actually a magnetic 2-in-1 glass. We can detach this and make it a normal glass and attach this and make it a sunglass. How cool is that? So I have to shoot a reel for this. Then I will, after finishing this, I will edit some video, and after that I will go out for coffee in the evening. So that's the plan. Now let's just quickly finish the work. Also, how cute is this top in this butter yellow color? Let me show you. This is how it looks and it is from New Me. Don't worry, I will attach the link in the description for you. Now let's quickly get done with the work.